Bitherm Group.
Welcome to the Bitherm Group.
Bitherm is a rapidly growing company that leads in energy efficiency and emission reduction. We began our journey in the 70s as an energy consultancy for steam networks. Today, we design, manufacture, and install internationally smart monitoring equipment and systems specialized in the petrochemical sector.
Our success is based on our expertise in specific engineering and our continuous commitment to innovation.
Currently, we hold several patents and prestigious international awards thanks to Bitherm providing comprehensive services including engineering, design, manufacturing, installation, maintenance, and technical support.
Our technology is endorsed by leading companies and recognized worldwide in the petrochemical industry.
Bitherm has a factory and 2 branches in Spain. Recently, following their success in significant projects in the East, they have opened an office in Arabia. Their awareness of climate change has driven them to invest in R&D to develop and offer highly profitable innovative technologies and solutions for their clients.
Our priority is to achieve sustainable development and increase energy efficiency while reducing atmospheric emissions.
This is how we are at Bitherm Group.